Welcome to Ice Soccer. This is Savannah.
Oh, Ramon.
And today, what are we doing today, Ramon?
You'll be seeing some flying objects that don't normally fly.
Yeah. Let's do this.
Okay.
Ow!
Oh, these are open.
No!
I swear, if you cost me this match, I will go home tonight.
I think there's enough flying objects. Hold on.
Myself in the face.
Oh, let's go, Savannah.
You serious?
No, I said flying objects.
Oh, I like that squirting object.
No.
Excuse that. Hey, come on, Ramon. Let's keep doing the show here. Are you okay, Ramon?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Are you okay?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Are you okay?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Ouch.
Burst the gut. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. My stomach hurts from laughing.
Okay, well this has been Ice Soccer. We're gonna do one more jump or flying object.
Oh my god.
One more. Come on, Ramon, get up.
Oh my god.
You ready? Set, go. Ooh! Ow! 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 Elbowed me in the head.
Thanks
Well,
for
that's
watching.
been Ice Soccer.